Welcome to Our Product Pick, where we explore the best and sometimes the worst of the tech world one review at a time. In today's video we're looking at the top 5 outdated cameras in 2025, the models that just haven't aged well, whether it's due to lacking features, slow performance, or simply being left behind by newer tech. From once popular DSLRs to early mirrorless models, these cameras were great in their time, but now, they're showing their age. Warning: whether you're thinking of buying one secondhand or still holding onto yours, this list will help you decide if it's time for an upgrade. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's take a look at the cameras that just didn't keep up in 2025. Number 5. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a compact powerhouse that redefines portable video shooting. Featuring a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor, it delivers impressive low-light performance and crisp, cinematic footage even in challenging conditions. The 3-axis gimbal stabilization ensures buttery smooth video, whether you're walking, running, or vlogging on the go. The new rotatable touchscreen is a welcome upgrade, making it easier than ever to switch between horizontal and vertical shooting. With support for 4K per 120 frames per second, the Pocket 3 is ideal for creators who want professional quality in a pocket-sized package. What truly sets the Osmo Pocket 3 apart is its versatility. From face tracking and dynamic framing to seamless wireless control via the DJI Mimo app, it's designed with content creators in mind. The built-in microphone has also seen a major upgrade, and the optional DJI Mic 2 system adds even more pro-level audio options. Whether you're a travel vlogger, filmmaker, or just someone who wants to capture stunning everyday moments, the Osmo Pocket 3 is a reliable and powerful tool that fits in your pocket. Number 4. Sony ZV-E10. The Sony ZV-E10 is a fantastic option. It features a 24.2 MP APS-C sensor that delivers sharp, vibrant image quality with excellent low-light performance. The autofocus system is incredibly fast and reliable, especially with real-time IAF and face tracking, perfect for staying sharp on camera while recording. One standout feature is the fully articulating screen, which makes self-shooting super convenient. Combine that with the built-in directional 3-capsule mic and windscreen, and you've got solid audio right out of the box. What really sets the ZV-E10 apart is its versatility. Whether you're streaming live, filming YouTube videos, or snapping high-quality photos, this camera adapts to your workflow. The interchangeable lens system gives you creative freedom, and the product showcase mode makes it ideal for review videos by smoothly switching focus from your face to the product. However, keep in mind there's no in-body stabilization, so you'll want a tripod or lens with OSS for smoother footage. Overall, it's an affordable and impressive camera designed with creators in mind. Number 3. Leica Q3. The Leica Q3 is a true masterpiece that blends luxury with performance. Sporting a stunning 60-megapixel full-frame sensor, this camera delivers incredibly detailed images with signature Leica color science. The fixed 28mm f/1.7 Summilux lens is razor-sharp and perfect for street photography, portraits, or everyday shooting. What really stands out is its refined design. Minimalist, solid, and built like a tank. Plus, the OLED EVF and responsive touchscreen give it a modern touch without losing that classic Leica feel. On the tech side, the Q3 doesn't disappoint. It now supports 8K video recording, faster autofocus with phase detection, and improved connectivity through USB-C and wireless charging. The hybrid user interface is smooth, and Leica has done a great job keeping the menus clean and intuitive. Sure, it's pricey, but if you're someone who values craftsmanship, image quality, and the joy of shooting with a beautifully engineered tool, the Leica Q3 just might be worth every penny. Number 2. Canon EOS R3. The Canon EOS R3 is a powerhouse mirrorless camera built for professionals who demand speed, precision, and reliability. Equipped with a 24.1 MP full-frame stacked CMOS sensor and Canon's Digic X processor, the R3 delivers incredibly fast readout speeds and blackout-free shooting at up to 30 frames per second with the electronic shutter. Autofocus is where this camera truly shines. It features Canon's advanced dual-pixel CMOS AF2 with eye control AF, allowing you to select focus points just by looking through the EVF. Whether you're tracking fast-moving athletes or capturing wildlife, the R3 responds with unmatched speed and accuracy. Beyond performance, the EOS R3 boasts a rugged, weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, making it ideal for demanding fieldwork. The vari-angle 3.2-inch touchscreen, 6K raw video recording, and superb low-light performance give both photographers and hybrid shooters the flexibility they need. While it's priced at a premium, the R3 is clearly aimed at professionals who want the absolute best in speed, autofocus, and ergonomics. If you're a sports, action, or news photographer, this camera is a serious game changer. Number 1. Nikon Z9. The Nikon Z9 is a game changer in the mirrorless world, blending speed, power, and precision in a rugged, pro-level body. With its 45.7 MP stacked CMOS sensor and XP7 processor, this camera delivers outstanding image quality and blazing fast performance. It offers blackout-free continuous shooting at up to 120 frames per second and 8K video recording at 60p, making it a beast for both photographers and videographers. The advanced autofocus system with 3D tracking and subject detection is incredibly fast and accurate, locking onto eyes, faces, animals, and even vehicles effortlessly. What truly sets the Z9 apart is its versatility and build quality. It's weather-sealed, durable, and designed for intense field use, yet packed with cutting-edge tech like a 4-axis tilting touchscreen and dual CF Express Type-B card slots. Nikon has removed the mechanical shutter entirely, relying on an ultra-fast electronic shutter that performs flawlessly. Whether you're shooting sports, wildlife, or high-end video productions, the Nikon Z9 delivers pro-grade results with reliability and innovation. It's a flagship powerhouse that proves Nikon is all in on the future of mirrorless. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.